In the previous episode, Mary and Claire ordered a set of angles from most open to least open. In this episode, they measure the openness of several angles.
You can measure in any units you would like. Larger numbers should correspond to more open angles. Explain your measurement system and what your numbers mean.
This one's stumping me.
We could use this and make like 180.
Yeah.
Oh, this isn't straight.
Well, we'd need kind of like 180 of those pipe cleaners.
Can you explain what you mean when you say you'd need 180 of the pipe cleaners?
Well, like if we had like let's say one was like straight and then we had like 180 for each like degree.
I see.
Oh, I meant we could like use it, make it straight and then copy one of these with, try and copy it with a pipe cleaner and then see how far away it is from 180. Then maybe we could see.
I think that would work.
As Mary and Claire considered how they might use pipe cleaners to help them measure angles, Claire talked about how you would determine how large 1 degree is. She knew that since 180 degrees fit into a straight line, you would need to slice the area above the line into 180 slices to find 1 degree. Since this would be hard to do with pipe cleaners, Mary suggested they instead estimate the number of degrees in angle measures by comparing it to a 180 degree angle.
I still don't know how we're going to measure this.
Yeah.
Like with the unit thing. Oh, because we don't have a ruler.
Let me think. So, we could make the right angle too.
What do you mean by that?
Like, make a straight up line so we can measure right here, and then will be 90 degrees, and then we can...
Oh,
so that will be 90,
I see. So then we know that it's at least 90 or not.
Yeah.
Okay, that makes sense. So then we'll probably need another pipe cleaner just to make sure it's exact. Ooh.
Okay.
Well, yeah, we'll trust the pipe cleaners.
So there is a 90 degree.
Yeah.
So this one has to be more than 90.
Yeah.
So we can...
Oh, but what unit are we using? Like,
should we do degrees?
Just degrees? Just degrees? Yeah.
That's up to you.
Yeah,
okay.
Let's do degrees.
Yeah, that's what I think of when I see angles, so.
And then we know it's at least 90 according to the pipe cleaner, so it doesn't matter how messy my line is.
Yeah. It has to at least be.
Yeah.
It doesn't look like this is much smaller than 90 either.
Must be like, to me that looks like 70 maybe?
I feel like 70 is closer to 90, and I feel like,
maybe 60.
like if, I'm thinking like, because this is just over halfway, you know?
Oh, yeah.
Like if you were to draw another
maybe
right
this is
angle.
like 60.
Yeah, I'm thinking 60. So like if you do like a 90
This is just an
plus
estimate.
60.
Okay. We're going to say angle is 60, but it's just an estimate.
Okay.
Yeah. So what's 90 plus 60? 150, right?
Yeah. Okay, so about 150 degrees.
Yeah, about. Close enough.
Okay, now we'll work on this one.
Yeah, so
this one's hard. I don't know if that's 90.
That's about well, it looks like here. Hold hold that down right there. And then if we put this, I think it's either like 90 or 91.
Okay. Oh,
that's an angle, but it's like just outside of.
So we're gonna say we can
90.
try and trace this.
Yeah. I feel like it's like just over 90.
Yeah.
Oh, I have an idea. I wonder how close it is to the 60.
Oh, smart. Here, I'll trace the
that
60
was like way off.
Well,
that's
wait,
okay.
Maybe we'll redo it.
Yeah, you can do
Yeah,
another
that's
one.
like
Be perfect.
So what's your idea? What are you all doing?
We're seeing how close it is to the
to this
60.
one. Yeah. And then maybe we can make an estimate.
That makes sense.
Of course, you don't know how accurate my angles were at first, but we'll hope. Okay, so this is about the 60.
So it's less than that.
Yeah, wait, let's line up the lines equal.
Yeah.
So right there, it looks like that's like about 10 degrees? Maybe
10
50.
degrees less, yeah.
Yeah.
50 maybe, because it's not a 45.
Yeah, so maybe it's 50. Yeah, it looks like a 50.
50. So if this was measured like this,
About 50.
about 50 degrees.
Yeah.
I think we can assume that generally and safely.
In this episode, Mary and Claire estimated the measure of several angles. They decided to do this using degrees, a measure they were familiar with. They did this by dividing up the angles into smaller angles that they could estimate the measure of using their prior experience. They estimated the first angle could be broken into a 90-degree angle and a 60-degree angle. The second angle could be broken into a 90-degree angle and a 1-degree angle. And the third was 10 degrees less than a 60-degree angle. In the next episode, they will remeasure these angles using a new unit of measure.